What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft skeleton. We're going to get started at the top of our page by drawing a large square for the head. So we start with the top line. Starting from the left, we're going to draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. Now I'm going to take that same length line and draw two lines coming down the side of the head. So start on the left, straight down, to right about there, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom of the head from left to right with a straight line. Now we want to go in and separate out the jaw. So from the bottom corner we're going to step up and draw a straight line going across from left to right. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the mouth. Leaving a gap on the left, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going up to the top of the mouth, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the top with a straight line. And we're going to go in and fill the mouth in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw on the side of the nose. Leaving a gap in the middle, we'll go to the left side, draw a straight line going up, and go all the way up towards the top of the eye. And do the same thing on the right. Now we want to find the halfway point along this line and draw almost like a large H. We're going to go all the way across. Now we want to extend this line out to line up with the side of the mouth. So we'll start with the left side, going out, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move to the outside and draw two straight lines going up. We're going to line up with the inside of the eye. And then we're going to close off the top on the left and then the right. Now let's go in and fill the eyes in black. We'll come back and add more detail to the head later, but let's continue working down with the body. We start with the neck first. So leaving a gap in the center, go to the left, draw one line coming down, and do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to leave a gap and draw two more lines coming down on either side. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to add a square on either side. From the tops, we're going to draw a straight line going out, top and bottom, and we'll close off the end with a straight vertical line. Now let's draw on the outside of the rib cage. From this inside point, we'll draw a straight line coming down on both sides. Now we're going to go out. We're going to extend past the inside line. And then from here we're going to go straight up to line up with the top of the square. And then we'll draw a short line going out towards the side, to right about there. And we're going to go all the way up underneath the head. Now we're going to tuck the spine in behind the rib cage. From the inside corner, I want to step out, draw a short line coming down towards the left and right. Now let's draw a straight line going across. We want to line up with this line on the top, go all the way across from left to right. And then we're going to come down the side of the hips with a short line. And then again, we're going to close off the bottom from left to right. Now let's draw on the legs. From the outside corner of the hip, on step in, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the feet. Do the same thing on the right. Stepping in, draw a straight line coming down to the same height. Now I just want to draw a short line coming in for the bottom of the leg. And then we're going to pull this all the way up underneath the hip. Now we're gonna move back up and draw on the arms. About halfway down the side of the rib cage, draw a straight line going out to line up with the side of the head on both sides. And then from the outside, we're gonna draw a straight line coming down, lining up with the top of the hip. Now let's go to the inside of this point. Draw another straight line coming down, just lining this up. We're gonna close this off with a straight line. Now the last thing we're gonna do is add a few pixels around the body. Let's start with the head. Starting at the top, we're gonna draw a short line coming in. We'll go up, come in, and we'll pull this up towards the top of the head. Let's add a small square on the right side. 2 lines coming down, and we'll close off the bottom. Now let's add some pixels to the arm. Starting on the left side, we're gonna come in, down, and then out. Let's draw one on the bottom of the hand on the right, coming out and then down. Let's add a couple more on the legs. On the left side, we're gonna come in, down, and out. And then we'll add one on the bottom corner of the right leg. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our Minecraft skeleton. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.